Hi guys, I just wanted to clarify a couple things real briefly about the observation reflection paper that is due on Monday, April the 10th. As you saw on the course announcements for this week, that'll be the only thing that you'll have to work on for next week because of an oversight on my part. I had duplicated an assignment, and so we will be bumping up Chapter 13 to this week, and then for week 12, when you were supposed to read Chapter 13, I'm just going to have you work on the observation reflection paper so that you can make sure that you have ample time to get a high-quality paper submitted for that assignment. If you look on your syllabus, you'll see the expectations for that assignment, which I have pulled up here on your screen so you can see the description, the content. I'm guessing that most of you have been looking at this already so that you knew exactly what you were supposed to be observing and taking notes on during your school-age observation. Again, I want you to draw your attention to the grading rubric. So when you're going through and reflecting on all those components from that school-age environmental rating scale, make sure that you're looking at the grading rubric so you know exactly what I'm looking for so that you can score the highest points possible. I really want you to reflect your knowledge of school-age care. I want you to reflect your knowledge of developmentally appropriate practice. I want you to use support from your textbook that you've learned throughout the semester thus far to support your observations. I want you to use exact quotations and examples from your observations in your paper so that I can kind of visually see what you experienced and really understand that environment of that school-age program. And then it needs to make sure that, your written work is at college level. Make sure that it's organized well. Make sure that your grammar is intact and your spelling and the syntax, all of those things I'm going to really be paying close attention to. So always make sure to look at these grading rubrics whenever you are completing an assignment, and that way you know exactly what the instructor is looking for when they're scoring your paper, so you know exactly how to do the best that you can do when you're completing that homework. Another thing I wanted you to take note of is make sure that you use that school-age environmental rating scale. I'm hoping that you guys filled this out whenever you observed. This was part of the assignment, so this will need to be scanned in as part of your submission of this assignment. So make sure that you have attached this as part of this homework. I will make a location on Blackboard for you to attach this. So you can scan that on a scanner, or you can take an image of that. Just make sure that it's high quality, that I can read it, and then attach that. So make sure that you've attached this entire thing. And then the last thing that I need to make sure that you guys have submitted for this assignment is this log form. So I'm hoping that whenever you went and did your observations that you took a copy of the observation log. It looks like this here. You're going to need to input your information here. Make sure that you put the date you observed, the time in, your time out. Make sure that the initial or the director of that school initialed, and then make sure that they signed it. I need proof that you actually observed in that center, so make sure that that's signed by the cooperating teacher from that classroom. I will sign it as well once I print it out, and then make sure that you've signed it as well, so make sure that that's attached as well. So I will make sure that that is something that is in a location that you guys can attach that as well. If you have any questions regarding anything for this assignment, if you're unclear about something, if something doesn't make sense, you're unsure about the level of details that you should go into, don't hesitate to reach out and email me. Again, this is a big assignment for this class, and I really want you to be successful and submit a high quality paper, so that's why I'm giving you some additional time to work on that next week. So make sure that it is you put a lot of work into it, and if you have any questions, please just let me know. I'm more than happy to talk with you or discuss anything or proofread anything. Just don't hesitate to ever reach out to me. So I'm here for you guys. All right, that's all I have for tonight. So you guys have a great day. Thanks.